Hi, so I'm Summer May Finlay. I've been doing some video interviews with some people here at the inaugural Aboriginal and Torres Strait Islander Suicide Prevention Conference, and I thought I'd just give a little bit of a reflection on the day according to me. It's been a full-on day. I have to say I'm exhausted, but it's the kind of exhaustion that you know is well worth it. It's been a full-on day. We've heard from a range of different speakers. Tom Calma, Rosalie Kumeth Monks has spoken as well. I've done a number of interviews which you can see on YouTube. And I guess my reflections of the day are a couple of things: that we need to have solutions that are driven by us. We know us better than anybody else, so the idea that solutions aren't actually driven by us is quite absurd. And I think that for government, they really need to understand that if they actually genuinely want to make a difference. And I know that they do want to make a difference. Sometimes they just don't want to go about it, or the systems and structures don't really allow them to do it our way. And I think that that's a challenge, and they're going to need to reconcile what's more important, process, government process, or whether it is actually making a difference. So I hope to see that they will actually take notice of what's happening here at this conference. There's going to be some recommendations that are made from this conference, and I really genuinely hope that they actually pay attention to those. I mean, the other thing that I wanted to, talk about was the fact that coming to a conference like this really demonstrates to me how strong we are as peoples, and I come and I feel this connection and this strength and this amazing bond with people that I've never met before. And that is something that I love about being Aboriginal. And if people could come and see us in our environment like this, even though there's stories that are heartbreaking, and there's statistics that are mentioned which are disgusting, you see us in our environment and in our space and as a collective. And all that negative stuff is just one element of who and what we are. And I really wish that people could see us as I see us, and as that I would assume other Aboriginal people in the space see us. We're strong, passionate, driven people that really are a hell of a lot more than the crap that we actually have to put up with. And, I think that these conferences, and hopefully the interviews that I've done, demonstrate to people that we are knowledgeable, we are able to actually work on our own solutions, and that we just need to be given the time, the money, and the space to actually do that. So I feel really privileged to have been here today, to be able to interview people. It's been draining, but it's been worth it. So thank you to all those that actually let me interview them today, and I hope to interview some more people tomorrow. Bye.